Python Papi. We're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, actually, we finished the module that we started in, or the last module we were in, or the last section of the module we were in. I didn't realize that we actually got through it that quickly, but as soon as it pop up, we're going to do some light reading over a note I left myself, and then we're going to prepare for the next section of the module. So you can see here we say troubleshooting. If we have any issues running the script because of dependencies, we can put the entire folder into a new virtual environment. This is how we can do that. We would say uv venv.venv. This is the way we can install our dependencies. We can actually manually input the libraries we need by saying uv pip install boa viper. This will manually install the packages that we need. Now I had to do this step because I don't know if I let you know that I was having issues actually running this module early on because I didn't have the proper tools. So I had to actually manually put it into a separate folder apart from the other folder and then install these packages right here separately so everything can go through. That's how I was able to run everything for you and all the examples that you saw me running. I was able to do that because I did this step right here. Now again, I don't know why people give commenting or leaving comments such a bad rap. Without these steps, I would probably be lost as an engineer because it's basically me talking to myself, letting me know what I did along the way and how I overcame certain obstacles. So if I come across them again, I know exactly what to do. So with that being said, we're going to be moving forward. In the next section of the module, we're going to be actually tackling is the Titanoboa favorites project, interacting with Anvil contract with Titanoboa. So look out for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.